This video demonstrates how to configure a static IPv4 network address from the control panel on PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 products. Logged in as the administrator, touch Settings. Navigate to Device, Network Settings, Protocol Settings, and select TCP/IP Network Settings. From the IP address resolution menu, select Static and touch OK. Touch IP address, enter the new value, then touch OK. If needed, enter new information for the subnet mask and gateway address. Exit the menus to apply the new IP address. This video demonstrates how to configure a static IPv4 network address from the embedded web server. To access the control panel remotely from a computer, first open a browser and access the Embedded Web Server, EWS. In the Embedded Web Server, logged in as the administrator, click Network, navigate to Ethernet, and select IPv4. To make changes, click Edit. From the IP address resolution menu, select Static. Type the appropriate information in the following fields: IP address, subnet mask, and gateway address. Click Save. When the IP address changes, the connection with EWS needs to be re-established using the new address. For more information about network settings, refer to the System Administrator Guide.